Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Voice Section. Dear students, here is Akhtar Saeed, your English teacher. Today is lecture number 17, Unit 1, Text 2, page number 14. The name of the lesson is No. Actually, it is a poem that has been written by Thomas Hood. Before embarking on the poem, I would like to tell you the introduction of the poem. Thomas Hood, an English poet, was known for his comic verse, but today's poem is very serious one. This poem has been written in the background of November in the autumn season. You know, when the autumn season comes, there is snow everywhere. When everything is fully covered with snow, in such situation, life becomes very difficult as everything stops. No people are seen out for socialization. Wherever you see, you find silvery snow covering everything. The snow temporarily suspends all human activities. The word no has been repeatedly used throughout the poem. Every line starts with no. Now we start the poem. As you know, this poem has been written by Thomas Hood. No sun, no moon. When autumn comes, there is no sun, no moon. The whole area is covered with snow and the sky is covered with the clouds. So no sun and no moon is to be seen. No morn. Morn means morning. No noon. There is no morning and noon. The whole day seems to be the same, because when there is no sun, you cannot find light and you feel the same in the morning as well as in the evening. No dawn. Dawn again means morning. No dusk. Dawn, morning, and what may be the meaning of dusk? Yes, evening. No dawn, no dusk. From morning to evening, the whole day seems to be the same. No proper time of the day. There is no proper time of day because sun does not come out. There is no light. There is, there is some sort of darkness everywhere. No sky, no earthly view. Because there is snow everywhere, no sky is to be seen and no view on earth is to be seen. No distance looking blue. There is no blue sky in the distance. Nobody is seen. Nothing is seen. Everywhere there is snow. No road. No street. No road is to be seen. And there is no street that is to be seen because everything goes under the cover of snow. No. The other side, the way. The other, it is the contraction form. The other, it means the other side of the road. You cannot see the other side of the road. No end to any row. Row here means a narrow street. You cannot see the other side of the narrow street because I will repeatedly say no and snow. There is snow everywhere, so no activity is to be seen. Nothing is to be seen. No human activities, nor any other activity. No end to any row. No indications. Indications means hint. There is no hint where the crescents go. The literal meaning of crescent is moon. But you know, here it means an arc-shaped street. The street that is in the arc shape, that is in the shape of a moon. No indications where the crescents go. Nobody can find the arc-shaped street because everything is fully under the snow. No top to any steeple. Steeple means church tower. Church tower has no top. It does not mean that there is no top of the church tower. Actually, it is not to be seen because of the snow and because of the mist. No recognitions of familiar people. Recognitions means identification. शनाख्त जिसे हम कहते हैं, शनाख्त. Recognitions, shnacht, identification of familiar people. Familiar means known people. You actually do not see people, so the identification is no matter there. No courtesies for showing them. Courtesies means polite act, nice behavior. You cannot show a polite act. You cannot show polite behavior, nice behavior to the people because nobody is to be seen outside. No knowing them. There is no opportunity to know the people. You find no time. You find no opportunity to see the people and know them. No traveling at all. How can you travel when everything goes under the cover of snow? No locomotion. Locomotion means movement. Actually, movement from one place to another. You cannot go out. You cannot go to other cities because everything comes to an end. Everything comes to a standstill. No inkling. Inkling here means hint, clue. There is no clue of the way. You cannot find the way. You cannot see the way. All the ways, all the passages, all the roads go under the cover of snow. No notion. Notion means idea. You have no idea of the way. You have no thought of the way. You cannot find the way. No go. You cannot go anywhere by land or by ocean. You cannot go from one place to another by land or by ocean. You have to stop where you are. You have to stay home. No mail, no post. Here mail does not mean email. You know, this poem was written about 150 years ago, so there were no emails then. Actually, it means letters. People do not write letters in the autumn season, so you do not receive letters from your friends or relatives. It means there is no communication among the people living in far off areas. They do not write letters, so no letter comes. No news from any foreign coast. No news comes from some foreign coast here means seashore. You do not get any news from abroad, from the seashore, because you cannot receive any letters. So there is no communication among the people. No park. Dear students, this park refers to the Hyde Park in London. You know, it is one of the very beautiful parks and one of the oldest parks in London. It is very famous. And no park, no ring. Here ring means a circular course where the people ride and drive. They enjoy riding there. So in this season, no park. People do not go to the Hyde Park and they do not go to that ring. No afternoon gentility. Gentility means upper class. Rich people. Rich people normally go to the park and enjoy riding in the ring. But in this season, there is snow everywhere. Hyde Park is fully covered with snow. So is the ring. So there is no human activity. The people of upper class, the rich people do not go to the park and enjoy riding. They do not see one another. No company. As they do not go out, there is no company. They cannot enjoy the company of their friends and relatives. No nobility. Nobility here means noble people. The people of noble class. The people of upper class. They do not meet one another. There is no socialization. They do not go out for socialization. They remain home. Everything has come to a standstill. No warmth. No warmth here means the warm feelings. They do not find warm feelings with one another because they do not see one another. They remain their homes. They do not go out. They do not go out to see people and enjoy the company of their relatives and friends. No cheerfulness. No cheerfulness, no happiness. Obviously, when they do not go out, when they do not go out to enjoy the company of their friends and relatives, there is no happiness, no healthful ease. There is no feel of healthy activities. They do not feel healthy, I must say. They do not feel that they are healthy. It may also means there is no healthy activity. No comfortable feel in any member. There is no comfortable feel. The members do not feel at home. They do not feel comfortable. They are worried, I must say, because they cannot go out and they cannot enjoy the company of their friends and relatives. They do not go to the Hyde Park. They do not go to the relatives. They do not receive letters. The life has come to a standstill. So all the members, all the people are worried. No shade, no shine, no butterflies, no bees. You do not find anything. There is no shade of the trees because you can see the trees here. They have no leaves, no shine of the sun and the moon. As everything is fully covered with snow, there are no flowers, there are no trees, so no butterflies and no honeybees are to be seen there, and hence no fruits. There are no fruits. How can fruit come here when it is fully covered with snow? No flowers, no leaves, no birds. You do not find anything. November, because it is November, it is autumn season, because in autumn season each and everything is fully covered with snow, so life comes to a standstill. There is no human activity nor the activities of animals and birds and even the trees. I hope you might have understood the poem. If you have any problem, if you have any question, you may contact me in the feedback group. As far as the homework is concerned, you will write the words meanings that are written in the box on the upper part of the page, and you will write first 10 lines of the poem for dictation. That's all of today's lecture. Take care. Thank you very much.